How to unban Litmatch account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can unban your Litmatch account. So if your Litmatch account has been banned, the major way to unban it is by contacting the support, the Litmatch support. So if you can still have access to your account, just move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, then click on your gear icon, which stands for settings, and then you'll be brought to the page where you would see a number of options. Among these options, ensure you click on Help Center. And so you'll be brought to the Help Centers page where you'll see different options like report my problems, my feedback, copy my information, upload logs and diagnostics, network diagnosis. So click on report my problems, and so you can see the different option here. So if you cannot find a solution, move to the bottom part of the screen and click on report my problems, and then you'll be asked to select the problem type. So amongst the options here, the problem type is not here, so click on others, and so you can now take a screenshot of your account, submit it here, describe the issue, which is your account has been banned and you would like to unban it. Click on submit. Ensure you enter your email, because a response on how to take care of that will be sent to you via email. All right, so ensure you check your email, and so a response will be sent to you. Follow the instructions and your account to be unbanned. Then once your account has been unbanned, the next thing you should do is to review the community guidelines. So make sure you read through the community guidelines, because this could be the reason why your account was banned in the first place. So by clicking on community guidelines, the guidelines guiding the Litmatch community would be displayed. So it's left to you to check through it, understand it, and then once you understand it, you can now prevent such things from happening again in the future. So that is it. This is how you can unban your Litmatch account. Then if you have no access to your Litmatch account, you can just go to your web browser, then in the search box type out just type Litmatch customer support. Okay, and then to load, and you'll see the contact Litmatch customer service support. Go ahead, click on it, and then make your concerns known, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.